2025 has been a big year for the ocean, and here at COP30 in Belém in Brazil, that momentum has been continuing. So what happened this year? Firstly, the High Seas Treaty, or the BBNJ agreement, was ratified by over 60 countries, therefore triggering it into law. Secondly, we had the United Nations Ocean Conference number 3 in Nice in France in the summer. There were many outcomes from that, but probably one of the biggest ones for us was that the 100% approach to sustainably managing national waters was included in the United Nations political agreement. Another big win was the WTO agreement on ending harmful fisheries subsidies coming into force as well. And finally, just this week, we had 6 more countries join the Blue NDC Challenge, which that means 17 countries going to be working together on a Blue NDC task force to try to raise the ambition around climate action in the ocean space. But it's not all been wins this year. There have been some setbacks. For example, the IMO net zero framework didn't go through as hoped. The agreement on plastic pollution didn't go through either. And also there was meant to be some deep sea mining regulations get passed, but that didn't happen. In addition, we've done an analysis of the NDCs in the ocean space, and of 66 coastal and island states, whilst 92% included one or more ocean action, only 12% included those really high emission sectors such as offshore oil and gas and decarbonizing shipping. So still plenty of work to be done. Some successes, there's still some problems, but it does mean that we can go into 2026 with increased momentum. We know exactly what we've got to do, and we know that the ocean can contribute 35% of the emissions reductions needed to keep us on that Paris Agreement of 1.5 degrees centigrade. So while 2025 was a big year for the ocean, 2026 will be even bigger.